Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to paste images in Notion in 2025. If you want a smoother workflow with your notes, projects, or dashboards, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know how to quickly copy any image and paste it wherever you need inside Notion. Super simple, totally efficient, and you'll wonder why you didn't start doing it sooner. Let's jump right in. Imagine you've got an image somewhere on your computer. Maybe it's a screenshot of your favorite chart, a funny meme, or even a product picture you need for work. The first thing you'll want to do is click on the image. And when I say click, I mean actually select it so your computer knows what you're working with. This step is important because, just like selecting text before you copy it, selecting an image helps you tell your computer, hey, this is what I want to use. With the image selected, go ahead and press Ctrl+C. That's Control and the letter C at the same time. On a Mac, it'd be Command+C, but today we're focusing on Windows. You're probably familiar with this shortcut from copying text, but yes, it works on images too. What you're doing here is copying the image to your clipboard, which is basically like saying, hold on to this for me while I get ready to paste it somewhere else. Now open up Notion. Maybe you've got a specific page where you want the image to go, could be notes for a meeting, a personal journal, or even a team wiki. Click into that page so your cursor is ready to receive the image. Here comes the magic moment. All you need to do next is press Ctrl+V, that's it. Notion grabs the image from your clipboard and pastes it right into your page, just like dropping a sticker on a notebook. You'll see it pop up, usually right where your cursor is. Don't worry if it takes a second. Sometimes Notion needs a moment to process and upload the image, especially if it's a bigger file. But what if you want that same image in another part of your workspace? Maybe it belongs not just to a page, but to your main dashboard, a place where you keep all your big picture stuff. No problem. Simply navigate to that dashboard in Notion, the way you'd quickly flip to another section in your binder or planner, and once your cursor is in the spot where you want the picture, press Ctrl+V again. Voila, the image appears there too. This is really helpful if you need the same visual reference in multiple places, like having a chart in both your project plan and your team overview, without having to upload the file over and over again. And honestly, that's it. Simple as pressing two buttons. But a quick tip, if you're working with very large images, just give Notion a few extra seconds to load. If something doesn't paste right away, don't panic. Sometimes switching pages or refreshing can help. Think of it like waiting for a Polaroid photo to finish developing. A little patience goes a long way. By mastering this trick, you can make your Notion pages way more dynamic and visually appealing. Images help break up text, illustrate your ideas, and make your workspace feel personal. You're not just pasting pictures, you're making Notion work better for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button. Drop your questions or your own tips in the comments below. I love hearing how you use Notion. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward guides to save you time and help you get the most out of your digital tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.